Beautiful British weather. Haven't been on a DLR in ages.
It's cold.
It's cold. Not me though.
Do you want a red hair now?
I got good jackets on. They got the red carpet out. My red kids. What up, homie? We here. We here. Late as per usual, but we're here. We're here. This has nothing to do with us, but it's cute.
You can't arrive before 4.
The Friends experience.
The F1 was right next to it.
I know, but we're friends experiencing Formula 1. So, Joanna, what are you excited to see today?
You be quiet for 5 minutes.
Impossible. Let's go. Lady saying book them fucking tickets. This queue is a little bit long. Oh look, they're gonna book it right now. I hear that, I hear that. Pretty views, mate. Pretty views. We have arrived, guys. Let's go. Back check. Give me some chocolate. No chocolate allowed. We are not looking to take a picture. So how do we get through? Oh look, this is one of my favorite quotes on earth. One of my favorite quotes from my favorite driver. If you no longer go for a gap, you are no longer a race car driver. Yeah. Big Senna. My second most favorite driver in the world. Lewis. The legend. We win and lose together, friend.
Yeah.
Just give me some gas on.
Whole load of simulators. We ain't doing no simulating today. DJ Jojo.
Depot on the beat.
One driver aisle. Okay, watch this.
No way.
Got one.
Will the red lights go off, yeah?
Yeah. Let's see your reaction time.
Stop. I know.
Brother. What? They all got one and then they'll switch off.
I did better than you.
Done better than me, so.
Depot on the beat. Depot on the beat.
So, that is done.
That is done.
I loved it.
I look so pasty. And we did shopping. Hold on. Oh, fuck. Keyring.
Active DRS.
Obviously, we'll never forget our boy.
Enzo got his toy.
Yep.
We're
And
good
we've
dog
got-
owners.
Can't even see it properly. But it says
Box, box, box!
box, 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 box. And was that it?
No. I also got a stress toy. For what reason? I am not stressed, but I'm gonna stick that on the inside of my van, so they know I'm a Formula 1 fan. Haha! And it's a red car, so you know we're supporting Lewis Hamilton next season. And what else did I get? I got something else, but I can't remember. I did, no, because I got. Oh no, that's the GoPro on that side. But hey, guys, oh my god, incredible. The fact that Lewis Hamilton and Senna's cars were right next to each other. Oh my god, what a dream. What a dream. I'm thirsty as fuck though, man. So, you know, we need to go get a little drink to wet me beak.
We're going to get a little food too.
A little food too would be lovely. And yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys enjoy going to the F1 exhibition with us. And if you did like, please comment, like, subscribe. Hell yeah!
It's a great skyline. I wish you had a drone.
I know that.